All right, so we did a video the other day. We talked about the primer that we like to use, Pro Prime. Somebody asked, well, how do you apply it? So there's a few different ways you can apply it. I can tell you one way you don't apply it is you don't apply it with a paintbrush or a roller. All right, it's got to go on pretty thick to do its job. So I've just gone down this morning. Actually, I've just picked this up from my local Build Base, Juicens, whatever, they all do this sort of stuff. Just a spreader, that's all you need. All right, so get a globbo on there, on the back of your slab, and just working it up, making sure that you are getting edge to edge and you're not leaving those little corner grooves for your fingers, because what's the point in putting it on if you're not going to cover the whole slab, right? So just working it up. Now these little spreaders are great because for this primer, in order for it to bite, we need to be getting around about 2-3 mil coverage on it for it to work. So, you know, be generous with your primer, don't skimp. Now, if we can see, if you do a little side profile on that, you can see how all those lovely ridges are raised. So when I put that slab in, those ridges are going to compact, they're going to spread out, and that is going to give me a nice full coverage of primer. Cheers.